How to edit mobile view on Squarespace. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can edit mobile view on Squarespace. How do you edit mobile view on Squarespace? It is very simple. The first thing to do is to log in into your Squarespace account, just like I have done here. And then select the site that you want to edit as a mobile, that you want to edit the mobile view. Okay, then once you selected the site, you'll be brought to this page as you can see on my screen, and then by the right side of the screen you will notice that there are four icons: desktop view, mobile view, style, site styles, and then preview. Okay, then since we are trying to edit mobile view, the first thing you have to do after logging in, you should just click on mobile view. Once you click on it, the view on the site will be changed automatically to mobile view. Then to edit this, click on the edit option by the left side of the site. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to the page where you can edit this to suit your choice. But first of all, you can just scroll down to see what you have. All right, now you can see that the newsletter is what is on the footer here. Okay, so you can just cancel this. So once you cancel this, you can see that this is already mobile. All right, and for you to edit this, it's just the same way you edit the desktop view. Select, if you want to edit the site header, just click on this here, and then a box will pop up by the right side of the screen. Then you can input a logo if you want to input a logo. If you want to change the site title, yeah, you can just do that by, okay, let's do that again. Edit site title and header and the logo. Then backspace this and type out what you want. All right, and then you can add the logo if you want to. Yeah, mobile logo image if you want to. Then once you're done, go back, element style if you want to change the element, such as the social links, buttons, cards, style, etc. Just play around it the way you want. Then style, as well as the fixed position. And then after that, you can now, once you're done, you can now come to the session here. If you want to change this session, you'll see, once you place your cursor on the session, by the right side you will see edit session. Click on it, and here you can edit it the way you want. If you want to change the background colors, the roll count, the gap, the alignment, height, if you want it to be larger than the way it is, just click on it here, then adjust it the way you want. So and once you're done, by the left side of the screen you will see the save icon. Click on it and your changes to be saved automatically. So this is how you can edit mobile view on Squarespace. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.